Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts. Plus, we have a ton of glitches to talk about. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. So let's go ahead and jump right into our new Dollar General digital coupons. And man, we have an absolute ton of new coupons to go over. I'm looking at about 5 pages worth of notes here. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Of course, clip your 5 off 25 for Saturday. We have a 50 cent off one for the Old Spice body wash. However, we do have a higher value coupon, so I'm going to pass on clipping that one for now. We have a 3 off one for the Swiffer starter kits. So if you want to pick up the Sweeper starter kit, those are priced at $14.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $11.50. We have a 1 off one for the Crest mouthwash. If you want to pick up the 1 liter bottles, those are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4. However, this coupon is glitching and it is working on the travel size mouthwash priced at $1. So after the coupon, that's going to make it completely free. Next up, we have $3.99 off when you purchase one of the Dawn Power Washes and one of the refills. However, this coupon is glitching and it is working when you pick up 2 of the Power Washes or 2 of the refills. So if you want to pick up 2 of the refills, those are the lower priced item. They're $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.01 for 2, making those about $2.50 each, which is not a bad deal at all. Next up, we've got 2 off one for the Crest toothpaste. So this is working on the stand-up bottles of Crest with Scope toothpaste, priced at $2.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay 25 cents. Great deal. However, this coupon is glitching and it is working on the Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1, found in the dollar aisle. So if you pick up one of those, use this coupon. That's going to make it completely free, plus give you $1 in overage. Now moving on down, we've got $1.50 off one for the finished products. These start out at $4.95. You can choose from the dishwasher tablets or the Jet Dry Rinse Aid. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.45. Keep in mind there's still a 2 off 1 higher value coupon out there. So if you haven't used that one yet, you might want to pass on clipping this one for now. I've already used mine, so I'm definitely going to go ahead and clip it. Next up, we have a 5 off 2 for the Pantene Nutrients. These are pretty pricey at $8 each. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $11 for 2. However, this coupon typically glitches with the Pantene Nutrients travel-sized shampoos and conditioners. So if you guys can find those, make sure that you scan them. Next up, we have a 2 off one for the Schick disposable razors. They're priced at $5.35, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.35. 1 off one for the Febreze. These are priced at $3.25, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.25. Then we have a 5 off one for the Colgate Optic White. These are priced at $7.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.25. Great deal there. We also have a new product, a 4 off 1 for the Airwick Vibrant 2-count refills. These are priced at $7. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3. As next up, we got $1.50 off one for the Airwick Essential Mist refills. These are priced at $6.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $5. We also have a $1.50 off one for the Glade products. These start out at $6, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. However, I need to have a little chit chat with y'all real quick. We do have some clearance Airwick and Glade products that are priced at $4.50. So after those coupons are applied, you're going to pay $3. But I want you guys to keep in mind that we are literally days away from the Dollar General clearance event. So that's going to be happening next weekend. And I promise you guys, we're going to have tons and tons and tons and tons of deals. Probably more deals than y'all can handle. I don't know. Let me know down in the comments, because I have been working on slides. I mean, literally been working my tail off, running on very little sleep at this point. But I would bet that I have made over 500 slides at this point. But we'll have to see what the final number ends up being. But anyways, we're going to have tons and tons and tons and tons and tons of deals. So I want you guys to definitely keep that in mind and maybe save a few of these coupons for this coming up weekend. All right. So make sure that y'all stay tuned, because this next week is going to be crazy, crazy, crazy full of videos. So definitely make sure that you have those notifications turned on. Now, back to this Glade coupon. This one is actually glitching and it is working on the 2-count oil warmer. These are priced at $3.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.25. Alright guys, next up we've got a 2 off 2 for the Suave, Tresemme, Degree, and Vaseline products. And take a look real closely, y'all. That is a manufacturer coupon. Typically when we have these brands that are like grouped together, it's a DG store coupon, but this one's a manufacturer, so I'm pretty surprised and I'm very happy that we have this one. So we definitely have some really good deals because Suave, Tresemme, Vaseline, is on instant savings this week. For when you purchase 2, you're going to instantly save $2 at the register. Plus, we have a 1-off-1 DG store coupon that will stack with this manufacturer coupon. So here's just a couple of deals that I threw together this morning. If you want to pick up 2 of the Tresemme hairsprays, the smaller bottles are priced at $5.35. So after this manufacturer coupon, after the instant savings, and after that 1-off-1 DG store coupon, that's going to be paying $5.70 for 2. Now, if you want to pick up 2 of the Vaseline lotions, they're priced at $4 each. After this 2 off 2 manufacturer coupon, the $2 off instant savings, and the 1-off-1 DG store coupon, that's going to be paying $3 for 2, making those $1.50 each. Great deal there. Now, this coupon is also glitching, or what I would call a glitch. It is working on these Suave 1.2 ounce deodorants. So, they're priced at $1.35. Pick up 2 of those. After this coupon and the instant savings, or the DG store coupon, whichever comes first, that's going to make both of them completely free. Now, I'm not sure if you would get any overage with that, just because we are working with instant savings and a DG store coupon, but that's a deal that I will definitely be trying out this week, and I will give you guys an update on that. We have a 50-cent off one for the Lysol products. So if you want to pick up the all-purpose spray cleaners, they're priced at $2.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.25. However, this coupon is glitching, and it is working on the Lysol multi-purpose cleaners for $1 found in the dollar aisle. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just 50 cents. Sorry, guys, I'm losing my voice. And this coupon is also glitching and working on the Lysol toilet bowl cleaners found in the dollar aisle for $1. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just 50 cents. Next up, we've got 3 off 2 for the Colgate toothpaste. Now, here's one we need to talk about because the Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste has went up in price. These are now priced at $4 each. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $5 for 2. I cannot even believe they're $5 each. Who remembers the days when they were priced at $2.75 and we got them on sale 2 for $5 all the time? Let me know down in the comment section. Now they're almost $5 each just for 1. It's so crazy. All right, moving on. We've got 4 off 1 for the Claritin, 2 off 1 for the Olay. We're going to skip over a few of these here. We do have a new 2 off 1 for the Oral-B toothbrushes. However, it is not glitching, but it is working on the 2-pack of toothbrushes. They're priced at $7.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50. All right, next up, we got 5 off 3 for the Olay. Those are pretty pricey. They start out at $6.35 with the lotions, but this coupon is glitching and it is working on the 2-count Olay bar soaps. They're priced at $4.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $7.75 for 3 of the 2-count bar soaps. All right, moving on down, there's that higher value 3 off 3 for the body wash. 2 off 1 for the Icy Hot. Those start out at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3. We have Zantac, Sinex, 1 off 1 for the All and Snuggle products. Those are still on sale this week for $4.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. We have a 3 off 2 for the Garnier Whole Blends. These are priced at $4.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50 for 2. Next up, we got 2 off 1 for the Lubriderm. We have 3 off 1 for the Gain Flings. These are priced at $15.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $12.95. This coupon is glitching and it is also working on the Tide. Those are priced at $15.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $12.95. Then right below it, we have a 3 off 1 for the Tide and the Gain products. These are on the larger counts and sizes. They're priced at $21.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $18.50. All right. Moving on down, we got $1.50 off 1 for the Depends, 3 off 1 for the Gillette razors. These are priced at $8.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.95. We have 1 off 1 for the Rexall Melatonin, 60 count. Those are priced at $3.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. Next up, we got $3.99 off when you purchase one of the Gain Power Blast and one of the refills. Now, I haven't found any of the refills at my store just yet, but hopefully they're coming. But this coupon is glitching. Luckily, it is working on 2 of the Gain Power Blasts. So if you want to pick up 2 of those, after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.51 for 2, which is not a bad deal at all. Next up, we got $2.95 off 1 for the Maxwell House Coffee. These start out at $7.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5. Now I'm going to skip over a few of these here just to keep the video a little bit, on the shorter side. I'm not going to clip the 150 off one for the Flintstones because we typically get higher value inserts or printable coupons. So we've got some allergy relief, Secret. I'm going to pass on the Head & Shoulders just because it's 50 cents off. We do have a higher value. And we did get a new Gain coupon. It's a 5 off 30. Doesn't expire until the 18th. Then we've got Pampers, Zarbee's, Cascade, 2 off 1. These are priced at $5.15. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.15. Again, I'm going to pass on that 50-cent off deodorant coupon for the Old Spice. We have 3 off 2 for the Garnier Fruit Teas. So the shampoos and conditioners start out at $3.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4 for 2. 2 off 1 for the Oral-B Floss. Those are priced at $4.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.25. 50 cents off for the Dawn dish soap. So these start out at $2.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.25. Then we have a 3 off 1 for the Febreze Unstoppables. These are priced at $5. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2. Pretty good deal there. 3 off 1 for the Cascade Action Packs. And then we also have this 5 off 25 on Mr. Clean, Bounty, Charmin, Puffs, Microban, all kinds of stuff included. So that will be good to come up with some any day deals. We'll see what we can come up with for that. Hopefully we have enough coupon matchups to come up with a really good deal. All right, next up, Angel Soft. These are priced at $6.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.25. We have 25 cents off for the Bounty. This does work on the Bounty Essentials. Those are priced at $5.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.70. However, this coupon is glitching, and it is working on the 1-count Bounty paper towels found in the dollar aisle for $1. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just 75 cents. 3 off 1 for the Folgers. These start out at $10.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $7.75. And don't forget, we do have that deal. When you spend $10 on Folgers products, you get a Clover Valley coffee creamer for free. So make sure that you throw that one in if you pick up that Folgers. Next up, we've got 1 off 1 for the Sparkle 6-count paper towels. They're priced at $6.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.95. However, this coupon is glitching, and it is working on the Sparkle 2-count double rolls. They're priced at $3.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.95. Lots of glitches this Sunday. All right, then we got Always Discreet, 1 off 1 for the Irish Springer Soft Soap, 1 off 1 for the Quilter Northern. We do have a higher value 2 off 1, so I'm going to pass on clipping this one for now. And then we have a 1 off 1 for the Fix-It-In. All right, guys, and a couple more things before you all go. Don't forget that we do have that buy one, get one free sale still going on all of the bedding, sheets, blankets, quilts, decorative pillows, tons of stuff included, and that sale does end tomorrow on Monday the 27th. And then I also wanted to go ahead and remind everybody about this buy one, get one free coupon on dinnerware. It does expire today on Sunday, so go ahead and use that one up. If you haven't already, I threw mine in with a $5 off $25 scenario. These little plates and mugs, they start out at $1 each. So picking up 2 for $1, you really can't beat it. And then we also have this 50% off coupon for the kitchen canisters. This one also expires today, so use it before you lose it. I ended up picking up this really cute little pink one. It kind of reminded me of like the Pioneer Woman type style, but they also had some other super cute ones. They started out at $2 and went all the way up to $8 each, so half off. You really can't beat it. That cute little pink one was just $5, so I paid $2.50 plus I threw it in with my $5 off $25 scenario, so you really can't beat it. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for me for now, but y'all make sure that you stick around because I will be uploading a second video today on Sunday, so y'all be on the lookout for that. And before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It is completely free. You know what else is free? Hitting that thumbs up button and leaving a smile down in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.